mathematics, physical exercise. Yes, this is very good physical exercise for your hand, and for eyes also. Gently rub with your hand, forward direction, then after reverse direction. Only 1 minute exercise gives you a refreshment. And here is the question number 13. Up to question number 12 we completed. Now we have to move for the question number 13. Yes, students, here all the questions are moving very fast. Let's check the question number 13. Question number 13 is like this way. See, now all the questions having the, yes student, Ravi says already finished. 13 question I think so also we completed. Yes, in last session we discussed question number 13. Yes, now 14 is here. See, the question 14 is little bit different one, but you try to understand what the question is saying. See, the question is saying Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Yes, one lady is there, her name is Lakshmi, she is the cashier in bank. Yes, we already discussed what is a bank, and bank's the work also. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10. That means she is having some rupees of 100, some rupees of 50 and some rupees of 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. That means 100 rupees is 2, that time 50 rupees is 3, and that time 10 rupees is 5. That is a ratio. Now, what is the question is saying? The total number of case with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. Total rupees is 4 lakh. How many notes of each denominations does she have, or has, we can say? First, read the question carefully. What the question is telling us, what the things are given in question. Yes, revise in your mind. Think. Yes, there is a Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She have some currency notes of 100 rupees, 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Ratio is given 2:3:5, and total currency is rupees 4 lakh. We should have to find how many notes of 100 rupees, how many notes of 50 rupees and how many notes of 20 rupees. Yes student, this is a little bit difficult question, and you may be learn these types of question in your SSC also, 9th standard and 10th standard. So don't afraid if you are not knowing this one first time, you have no idea regarding this one, but now we are going to discuss how to solve this question. Yes, let's see. First of all, we are knowing the number for currency notes is suppose X. Suppose X. That's why 100 rupees note is 100 into X. 50 rupees 50X. No. Ratio is given. What the ratio is given? Yes. 2:3:5. So here let the common ratio between the numbers of notes of different denomination means different notes are there, can be x. Okay, what about rupees 100? Yes, rupees 100 means 2x, rupees 50 means 3x, and rupees 10 means 5x. But student, here they didn't give us a number of notes, currency note. They said total amount of money, 4 lakh. So now what we can do with the 2x, 3x and 5x? Yes, we should have to multiply the rupees notes. 2x means 100, but 100 you have to multiply. 3x means multiply by 50 because rupees 50 is 3x notes are there. And 5x you have to multiply with rupees 10. So here you have a one equations will come out from this one. Yes. How it came? 100 into 2x, that means 200x. 50 into 3x, that gives a 150x. And 10x, 10 into 5x, that gives a 50x. Now all together is how much? 4 lakh rupees. Yes, we can add up all the three notes. We can add up. See, can you see this one? Yes, 200x plus 150x plus 50x, which gives us a 4 lakh. Students, always put the comma. It is very good practice for you. Yes, very good. Now regarding the left side, we have a variables. There is a 200x, 150x and 50x. Add up. What is the total? Very simple. You are very fast than these calculations. Yes, 400x. Right side, 4 lakh. Now what we have to do? Yes, dividing both sides with 400. Or you can take this 400 to the right side. Both the method you will get the same answer. But we can say here, on dividing both sides 400, we will get these types of equation. 400x upon 400. This is my left hand side is equal to sign. That side is a 4 lakh. 4 lakh has a 5 zeros. Yes, and divide by 400. Both the side we are dividing with 400. Very simple. 400 ones are 400. 400 ones are 400. Here 2 zeros will cut. 2 zeros will cut from this side. Now what is the numerator on the right side? Yes, 4000. And the denominator is 4. So we can divide it. 4 ones are 4. Here also 4 ones are 4 and 3 more 0. So here you can find x is equal to 1000. See, this is the not only 1000. But our 100 notes are different. 50 notes are different. And 10 rupees notes are also different. Yes, 200x is a 100 rupees note. 150 note of 50 rupees note, and 50x gives a 10 rupees note. Let's check. And all together it's a 4 lakh. That's a one kind of game or magic. So check. Our x is equal to 1000. Up to here you are clear. Number of rupees 100 notes is equal to 2x. So in place of x we can put the value 1000. 2 into 1000 gives us 2000. Yes, students, 2000. And 3x means 3 into 1000, 3000. And 5x means 5 into 1000, that gives a 5000. Let's check the currency rupees. Let's check here. This is a 2000 note of 100 rupees. 3000 notes of 50 rupees. And 5000 notes of 10 rupees. Now multiply these all numbers. Yes, for this one 2000 into 100, that gives me a 2 lakh. So 2 lakh rupees notes of 100. How many rupees are left now? Yes, 4 minus 2 lakh. 2 lakh still now left. The 2 lakhs is of 50 rupees and 10 rupees. Yes, now comes to here. Second one. 3000 multiplied by 50. Yes, very good. 5 3s are 15. Yes, y 3s are 15. And how many zeros are there? 4 3 zeros for 3000 and 1 zero for 50. So 4 0 I have to add here. Yes, very good student. So here 100 rupees वाला 2 lakh rupees, rupees 100 कितने का है बेटा? 2 lakh, rupees 50, which gives us 1.5 lakh or 1,50,000. Now regarding 10,000, sorry, 5,000 rupees note of 10 rupees. 5,000 notes are there. 5,000 of 10 rupees. That means rupees 10 notes having 5 tens are 50. Yes, and how many zero are more? 3 more zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. So it's a 50,000. See, I am writing once again 50,000 because 50,000 comes little bit slide away. So 5, 50 and 3 more 0. Yes, student. Now total of this one. 2 lakh, 1,50,000 and 50,000. What is the answer? Yes, 4 lakh. Our answer is clear. Once again, I will show you how many notes of 100 rupees are there? 2,000. How many notes of 50 rupees are there? 3,000. And how many notes of the 10 rupees? 5,000 notes are there, which all included together 4 lakh. Is it now okay? Easy question for you. Yes, we need 2 times practice to remember the numbers. Yes, very good. So now we will move for the next question, number 16. It is also like this way, but here the things are in different way. I have a total of rupees 300. Suppose you have rupees 300 in coins. In denomination, rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. Suppose you are having some amount of money in coins, or all coins together, how much? 300. All coins are mixed. Some are 1 rupees, some are 2 rupees and some are 5 rupees. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 rupees coin. See, what about this said? 2 rupees coins are 3 times more than 5 rupees coin. सब record होना चाहिए student. Yes. Now, the total number of coins is 160. Yes, here in previous question not given how many notes were there, but here they said altogether 160 coins are there. Very good. You are now thinking correctly. First, rupees 300, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupees coin. All coins are 160. Correct. And 2 rupees coin is 3 times than 5 rupees coin. Record? Yes. Now, how many coins of each denomination are with me? Yes. You should have to think about here. Let the number of rupees 5 rupees coin is X. Okay. Let's check for the number of 2 rupees coin. How much is there? 3 times of 5. So 3x. Yes. 5 rupees x. 2 rupees 3x. What about 1 rupees? Oh, It is not given anywhere in the question. Then 1 rupee coin, no definition, nothing is given. Think, yes, one thing is given. What the total number of coins are given? Yes, suppose you have a 3 pocket. How many pocket? 3 pockets, 3 purse. One purse having 5 rupees. Second purse having 10 rupees. And all together 1, 5, 10 and third not given. All together you are having 50 rupees. How much? 50 rupees. Will you tell me what about third pocket, third purse? How many rupees will be there? What you will do? Will you find out? Not understood? Once again I will explain you. You have 3 purse, 3 pocket, all together is 50. Good. One pocket you have 5 rupees, second pocket you have 10 rupees. Here non-money is given, that means we are supposing here X. So what is third pocket money? What you will do? Yes, you will do addition of this one, 15 plus X is equal to 50. And now next the step, be careful here. X is equal to 15 minus 15. Yes, what you had that you are subtracting from it, and you will get your answer here. X is equal to 35. What you did here? Yes, whatever you had, you subtracted from total. Here in our questions, we are having X and X, 3X. And total coins are 160. So can we make it like this way? Now number of rupees 1 coin is equal to 160 minus number of coin of rupees 5 plus number of coin rupees 2. Yes, 3 plus 1 we already said 4x. So we can say here 160 minus 3x means 2 rupees coin, 1x that means a 5 rupees coin, and remaining are 1 rupee coin. 3 plus 1 gives 4. So equation of this one, 1 rupee coin will be 160 minus 4x. Amount of rupees now, money. Now this is a coin numbers, x, 3x, 160 minus 4x. These are the coins. Student, be careful. Now money, that means you have to multiply with that money. Suppose you have 5 coins of 2 rupees. And how many total rupees do you have? What you will do? Will you say 5 rupees? No, you will do 5 into 2. That means 10 rupees you are having. Suppose 5 coins of 5 rupees. How much money do you have? Yes, 5 5 is 25. Like that way here, 1 rupees coin, that means multiply with 1. 2 rupees coin multiply with 2. And 5 rupees coin multiply with 5. So here you are having the rupees this much because the amount already given. This is 1 rupees coin, rupees. This is 2 rupees coin, rupees. And here it's a, yes, 5 rupees coin, 5x. Let's check. Total is given. It is given that the total amount is 300. Sabko plus karo students. Yes, this is 1 rupees. This is 2 rupees. This is 5 rupees. Altogether 60. Yes, first of all add these two numbers. 6x plus 5x. Yes, 11x. 11x minus 4x. will give a 7x, but 7 is plus x. 7x is here. Before the number is already present there, 160. Yes, now the next step you are having 160 plus 7x is equal to 300. Easy? Now what things you have to move? Yes, 160 has to move or transpose to the right side. It's a plus, it will go to that side, that's a minus. So 300 minus 160. Yes, good. 300 minus 160. Okay, now let's give the 140. There is no need to do the subtraction now. 7x is equal to 140. What we will do? Yes, dividing both the side 7. Now dividing both the sides 7, we can get x is equal to 20. Easy? How? See, 7 7 cut. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 and 1 0 more. So x is equal to 20 is the answer for this one. X is equal to 20. And what about x? Yes, x is rupees 5 coin. Let's see. Number of rupees 1 coin about this one, 160 minus 4x. हमारा वो फॉर्मूला था स्टूडेंट, देखा ना? Yes. x की जगह पे क्या रखेंगे? 20. Yes. So subtract it and simplified. We will get 80 coins of rupees 1. That means 80 rupees हो गया स्टूडेंट. 1 rupees का 80 coins होगा तो कितना rupees होगा बेटा? 80. Now regarding 2 rupees coin, how many are there? 3x. 3x मतलब 3 into 20. 3 20s are 60. Yes or not? 3 20s are 60. Okay. Now what about rupees 5? 20. 5 rupees coins are 20. So student, here don't afraid. Here you have to multiply with the 5 and here multiply with the 2. So this is multiply with 1. Why? Because multiply with 1 rupees coin is there. So here 80 rupees, 60 into 2. We are going to check our answer. Total 300 rupees are coming or not. Yes, 6 2s are 12. 120 rupees of 2 rupees thea. And 500. Let's check total it. Total it. Yes. 0 0 1 is carry over. That means 3. Yes. So our answer is right. Clear? Understood how to solve this question? It's a little bit big one, wide one, but step by step you are moving, you will reach to the final answer. Last but not least of exercise 2.2, question number 16. The organizers of an essay competition decide that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of rupees 25. The total prize money distributed is rupees 3000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. Oh, little bit complicated question is here. Understood what the question is saying? Question is saying to us, there is a organizer who conducted an essay competition and those who win the prize that got 100 rupees, and those who are participant but does not win the competition, they each one will get rupees 25, and number of participants are 63, and number of rupees or amount of rupees is 3000. We have to distribute it to equally. You have to find out कितने बच्चे ने विन किया होगा तो उसको 100 रुपीस मिलेगा, और कितने स्टूडेंट ऐसे होंगे कि जिसको विन नहीं किया, सिर्फ पार्टिसिपेंट से कंसोलेशन प्राइज यस, सबसे पहले हमको क्या करना है, विनर नंबर्स. यस, वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट, यू आर करेक्ट. Winner number is equal to X. So what is the participants number or consolation prize numbers? Total minus winner. Just before examples. जितना है उसमें से उतना माइनस कर दो तो आपको दूसरा मिल जाएगा. Yes, therefore the number of participants who did not win the quiz or essay is 63 minus X. Here is that point. Yes, winner is X and participants are 63 minus X. Amount of money distributed to the winners. How much rupees? 100. Student 100. So 100 into X. Yes, very nice. 100 X rupees given to the winner students. What about other one? 25 rupees given to the that's were participants. That means 25 multiplied by 63 minus X. Bracket means multiply. Let's simplify it. So 63 into 25 gives us a 1575. 1575. And 25 into X gives a 25X. So here is the answer for this one. These are the consolation prize. According to the given question, we can make it here 100X. Yes, that's a winner wala. And these are the participants people. This much all together is 3000. Now simplified, very easy. 100 में से 75 गया, कितना बचा student? Yes, 75X. And this number has to move on right side. Transposing. That's why it's a minus. Minus it, students. Will you get it? 1425? No, you are not getting. I know very well. Because till now so many students are facing to do the subtractions. So we will do here on the screen. Slowly you can get the idea. Those who are not having the idea, just put your attention here. 0 minus 5 possible? No. Then it will move to the here. It is also 0. Both are moving on here. Then it is also 0. Now this is moving to the 1000 place. Yes, 1000 is the 3. So here I can change the color of my marker and check it. This 3 will cut. 3000s out of 3000, 1000 is given to the previous one. Yes, 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. So here it will come as a 10, not directly. Okay, now 10 will give 100 to the previous one 10's place. So 10 tens makes 100. Now 10 tens are there. Out of 10 tens, 1 10 is given to 1's place. That's a 10 ones is equal to 110. Here is a 9 tens will left. Yes, 10 minus 5 gives you a 5. 9 minus 7 it will give you a 2. 9 minus 5 gives you a 4. 2 minus gives you a 2 minus 1, that's a 1. Yes, this is the answer here. But this is not a final answer because here 75x. How 75x came? Yes, 100x minus 25x. Look at here once again. 100x minus 25x will give me a 75x. Okay, now what I have to do? Divide 75 both the side. If dividing 75 on the both the side, you can get it here. 75 ones are 70, 75 ones are 70. Here if you cut, you will get a 19. See, 175 ones are 75, 1425. Still now so many students having problem to divide. We can take 3 numbers together. Okay, 75 we have to write here on this side. Minus, here is the 0. Okay, 142 minus 75. Directly you can say 12 minus 5, 7. Here 3 is there. 10 borrowing. 3 plus 3, 6. And here is the bringing down 5. Here will become a 0. Or you can check like this way. 5 plus 7, 12. 12, 1 is carry over. 7 plus 7, 14. Our answer is up to here. Now what about 75 up to 675? Yes, 75 tens are 750. 750 में से 75 निकाल दो तो 9 बचेगा. 9 जा 675 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. That's why x is equal to 19. X is equal to 19. What is the x? Yes, x is equal to winners. And winners will get how many rupees? Yes, 100 rupees. Let's check for this one. Our answer is right or not. 100 means 1900. Whatever total amount, 3000. Is it? Minus 1900. Yes, here at 2100. Yes, 2100 divided by 25. 25 rupees each one will get. 8 za. Yes. Okay. Like this way you can find out the answers. 75 means 19 participants are winners. Total is 63 is there. 63 में से 19 minus करो बेटा. Yes. How much will be left here? 13 minus 9, that is a 4. 5 minus 1, that is a 4. 44 will get a rupees 25. So here like this way you can check your answer. How many are there and how many are not there. 63 minus x. X का मतलब स्टूडेंट 19. Winners are 19 and 63 minus 19 give us a 44. Students will get a 25 rupees. Yes, how much rupees is that? 25 rupees means multiply कर दो बेटा. Yes, 40 means 1000. Yes, 4 more 100. Yes, 1100 rupees for this one. And what is about this one? 19 means 1900. 1900 plus 1100. Altogether how much is there? 3000. Our answer is correct. So here we conclude our exercise number 2.2. Okay, I understood you have faced some problem to understand these types of questions. Once again remind you, these types of questions is very little bit hard for the 8th standard student. But next step is your 9 and SSC. Put in your practice and solve one by one steps. You will understand the all things. Till there, bye bye, tata, take care and be safe.